When our sacral chakra is underactive or blocked, we feel not good at creating things. We think we are not creative. We end up thinking that it is just not part of our personality. Wrong. We are all creatives. We are all creators. God created man as its own image means that God created humans as creators like it. The creative process can be experienced anywhere, even in the little things. When you make yourself a sandwich for lunch, try new and different combinations, experiment flavors merging together. When you get dressed in the morning, experiment with new styles, new accessories, new matching of clothes and colors. The sacral is the center for our sexual energy, pleasure, passion, and creativity. It is a feminine chakra made of the element of water. When our sacral is balanced, we are playful with our sexual energy. We are deeply playing with our inner child. We have a constant flow of ideas to create. We are connected with our five senses, feeling pleasures. Linked to the sacral, there's the colon, the organ that processes all emotions, the kidneys that trapped fears, the large intestine that works with the lungs trapping sadness and sorrow, the small intestine that works with the heart trapping heartache, betrayal, abandonment, etc. The foundation of a blocked sacral is most of the time-trapped emotions of blaming, guilt, shame, or frustration that happen below the age of 7 years old. Other common emotions are creative insecurity, dread, defensiveness, conflict, confusion, rejection, crying. To balance the sacral, you need to release these trapped emotions. I personally use the emotion code technique, and then after bring your attention to that center 2 inches below your belly button for 10 to 21 days, while creating fractals of coherence. Do sacral yoga poses, meditation, affirmations, pick up art, Latin dancing moving your hips, work on a creative project. My personal superpower is the microcosmic breathwork. Breathe in through the mouth, inflate your belly while visualizing a beam of light moving down to your genitals. Then squeeze your pelvic floor as you exhale, moving the beam of light up the spine in the third eye chakra. Comment below your spiritual journey questions.